As far as Swiss machines are concerned, this is one of the most technically advanced and impressive pieces of Swiss machinery there is out there.
Each of its 8 spindles are very fast, faster than any conventional Swiss machine spindle.
When we purchased the machine, we bought Tornos proprietary software, TB Deco, to allow us to program the multi-spindle machine.
It takes the program that you write and it goes through every operation to find out your longest operation, and will give you ways to optimize it, as well as in the background it'll use the spindles to speed up and speed down so there's no time lost between operations.
It is frickin' fast.
That capability and the speed of which it produces parts is 4 to 5 times faster just on the first part that we program.
When we're using this machine to make parts, each spindle is making a small portion of the total operation. So effectively, 8 things are happening at the same time in parallel, also greatly enhancing productivity and lead time.
To see something so different, you know, I've been in this industry for many years now. To operate like on an 8 spindles, I mean, it's truly amazing.
Typically with the standard Swiss machines, put in your tools and you have to go one by one. With the multi-Swiss, every spindle and every station does one operation, so you see them all happen right in front of you. So that in a 20,000 order will free up multiple machines in just a few months, raising our capacity to take on new work from existing customers and new customers.
When we elected to buy this machine, we had to move equipment in the facility because the size of the machine is the size of 2 of our existing Swiss machines. We laid out the shop in a way that this was able to be accomplished without removing any of the existing equipment. At the time we decided to put in this new electrical service, we wanted to make sure that there was room for expansion, and we added additional amperage to allow us to put more machines in the facility while still utilizing the existing service for the smaller machines.
Operating the new Tornos Multi-Swiss differs from the standard Swiss machines and how it's put together. With a standard Swiss machine, they try to minimize space as much as they can to make the machine footprint smaller.
It was completely out of my comfort zone, but that's what I really like about learning new things, like just the accomplishment. It's self-rewarding.
With this machine, it's very simple, ergonomically designed where you're standing there and you can reach everything, take tools in and out, adjust the spindles, and it's all right in front of you.
The Tornos multi-spindle is a very unique piece of equipment. In fact, it's one of the few of its kind currently operating here in the US. There's just a handful of them, and we feel very fortunate to be one of the companies that currently has one in operation.